Welcome to Let's Talk Meshing Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature in just a couple of minutes. In today's video, we're going to cover the Extrema tab within Examine. So the Extrema tab provides tabular information about the minimum, maximum, and average function values that you're examining, including their location. And you might say, well, I can get most of that information from the color bar within Examine, and you'd be correct, but the one thing you can't get is location information. Additionally, the Extrema tab is going to provide a mechanism for zooming to the minimum or maximum values for further diagnosis. So with that, let's go ahead and just select this block for this propeller and go to Examine, and we'll pick a metric. We'll pick Cell Non-Orthogonality, and we'll go to the Extrema tab. So here you can see that the maximum value information is reported. Not only is the value, but the entity where that value is maximum, in this case block 1, its XYZ location, as well as the cell index. We also have the same information for the minimum value, and then we have the average value here. But again, beyond location information and values, we can actually zoom and show these min and max values. So let's go ahead and toggle on Show the Maximum. You can see that it highlights here in the scene, and I can click Zoom to zoom right to where the cell non-orthogonality is maximum for this mesh. Similarly, I can do the same thing here for the minimum. We'll go and show that in Zoom, and we can see where the minimum value is reported. So that's a pretty handy tool for locating those. Let's go ahead and select the surface mesh and go Examine Area Ratio. If you go to the Extrema tab, you'll notice that you may find that there is a Zoom and Align option. If you have a database constrained surface mesh, this is a pretty handy tool, because if my mesh is oriented in some weird orientation and I click Show Maximum and Zoom, it may be on the other side of the mesh. However, if I click Zoom and Align, it'll go and align to the surface normal that this mesh is constrained to, the underlying database surface normal in that location. And so now I can see where that value is maximum. Again, I can do the same thing for the minimum value. Click Zoom and Align, and it will align to the normal of the underlying geometry where this surface mesh is constrained. So a really handy tool for identifying those locations and values. And that's the Extrema tab inside of Examine. If you liked this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all, and have a pleasant Tuesday.